Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make a custom ringtone on iOS.
Ho, ho, ho.
First, screen record a video of audio on YT or save a video from TikTok. In this case, I will use a save vid from TikTok.
The fire is so skibidi. But since I've got to go,
Now go to any search app and search online audio converter.
Tap this. When you see this, tap open files, then photo library. Now tap the vid you want to use.
Let it marinate real quick.
10 times speed.
Okay, now that you got that, press iPhone ringtone, then press convert below.
Ho, ho, ho.
Now press download.
Now again!
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Now go to GarageBand.
Ho, ho, ho.
Flip or phone this way.
If my calculations are correct, press any instrument, then this logo thing.
Ho, ho, ho.
Okay, now press this. Then press this Sigmas. Now the blue text at the bottom.
Now press the most recent audio file thing.
Ho, ho, ho.
Make sure it's the right
toys.
audio file by
go
tapping it.
outside.
Drag and drop it into
Make sure
the
you have at
bars.
least 20 bars. Check. Through here.
Press here.
The weather outside is rizzy.
Now turn
but
off
the
this
fire
stupid
is
metronome.
So skibidi. But since I've got to go,
Ohio. Now
You can adjust the Owedo length or a part you want to loop. Hold it down to zoom in. Loop. Now, when you're done, press here. And again here.
Now hold the song project
Press
down
share.
with your finger.
Press ringtone. Continue.
Now you can name your song anything you want.
Press this.
Now you can choose if H wanna use it for, or ringtone, or text tone when you get a text.
Ringtone.
Now flip your phone back to normal. Because it worked.
go to settings. Sounds and haptics.
Now it should be there.
the weather outside.
Use it.
The weather outside is rizzy, but the fire is so skibidi. But since I've got to go.